Okay, wait. Now, Miss Bautista at the Hard Rock Cafe in Dubai.
Yes, I got invited.
We finna get lit.
Yeah.
Would you like to drink? Hi, sir. How are you?
Yes,
Welcome
we
to
want to
our
drink.
club.
She wants
Yeah,
to get.
please.
She wants to get lit.
Yeah.
Can you make a cocktail like what do you want? A pina colada? Or you
yes,
want
we
a
have our...
You have here something.
Singapore sling?
Hello po. Hello po. Kamusta? So,
Hey, we met a homegirl.
my name is
already.
Nave. Hello. How are you? Welcome to our cafe.
Yeah,
So,
ka-artista sa atin.
ako ba? You made my day today.
Totoo yan.
Sige
Ganun
po,
yung smile
ate.
mo.
Okay, so we have
So,
Deep Cabluna. It's similar to a pina colada, but there's only the color. The add blue curacao.
Okay.
Yeah, you can have with souvenir glass po, only 90 dirham, and the glass is yours. You can take it away.
Nah, you break it.
It's up to you. It's
No.
up to you, ate.
No, we'll leave the
We
glass.
are flying back home.
In Philippines? Okay, that's good po.
Sa Cebu muna and then fly.
Cebu po. Nice po. So, ano gusto niyo pong drink? So, you want to try? This one is similar like pina colada, but you just add blue curacao on it. This one, ate. Yeah, malibo po ako na gram.
Okay, then I'll try that.
Okay, you want in the normal glass?
Yes.
This one is passion fruit Mai Tai. It's Mai Tai, but they add twist of passion fruit.
Oh, okay. Then, what do you think here? Shall I get banana? Oh, no, what's that?
Bika Bluna
Bika
or
Bluna?
passion fruit Mai Tai?
Okay, I will try this.
Yeah, you want only normal glass ate?
Yes, please.
Okay, no worries. How about you, sir? Please.
Pick one for me. I'll take the same
Okay.
like you.
No, I don't know what you want.
Try this one, ate. Rhythm raspberry. That's nice one.
What I mean?
This cocktail is a vodka-based cocktail with a twist of rosy wine with a passion fruit green tea.
Sure.
Do you wanna try it?
Yeah, try.
And put an
Okay.
extra shot of vodka in it.
Okay, so I will bring first the big cabluna and red lemon rose milk. Would you like to eat ate or drinks only?
We will all drink.
Okay, no
We
worries.
eat a lot.
Oh, okay, that's very good. Thank you so much, Pa.
Thank you.
So, do you want me to change my shirt?
No,
Because look, I put it up.
no, we got a lot. You look beautiful. Oops, hit the menu.
Oh,
Oh, you look
here,
beautiful.
look at the screen. It's gone.
I see. So, we'll tune back in when her drink comes. Bye now.
You know what I mean? And you can make a very nice photo album of all your videos instead of like me or you know, if you don't like me there or something that you unintentionally took a video, you can just freeze it. I mean some scenes and make that kind of video.
Mm-hmm.
For example, you caught me while I'm making ihi and you
You just come up with some crazy stuff.
but it's normal. People make ihi. Or yeah, okay. I don't want to say that. So I'm serious, dear.
I know you're serious.
I'm serious. You know, I couldn't believe and I couldn't even imagine that I will be sitting here in Dubai at the airport. Why are you so quiet? You enjoy my talking, yeah? Look at that. I turn to my right. This is Hard Cafe.
Hard Rock
I
Cafe.
Hard Rock Cafe. See? You make me...
I'm making you
You
crazy.
know what? A few minutes ago, I said it rock hard coffee.
I know.
I did not say it intentionally, you know. I just said it wrong.
You're just excited.
You see, it shows that I'm really, really happy and I didn't expect that I'll be here now. So, like I was saying, I turn to my right. This is the Hard Rock Cafe. And I'm in it. So, and it is in Dubai.
In
So-
it to win it.
Yeah. And I turn to my left. There is H&M in Dubai,
Hey, yeah.
right?
Haven't seen one of them in a while.
Which I normally see it in Heidelberg at the Hauptstraße.
Uh-huh.
And I know there is one H&M in the Philippines.
So right now we're gonna take a little short break because the battery is getting low. Yes, I've been recording you the whole time. All right, there we go. We got our drinks. So,
Okay.
cheers,
So,
baby.
Cheers, here. Our first time in Hard Rock Cafe
In the Rock Hard Cafe.
in Dubai.
Hope you enjoy.
Thank you, you too.
She got some vodka in there, boy.
Oh yeah,
It's good.
it's hard. It's really hard. At the Hard Rock Cafe, it's hard. The rum is so hard. It's kicking.
Look at this glass. Beautiful glass
It
she's
is.
got.
It is here now.
Very nice. She's gonna be dancing on the ceiling after this.
Look, it is called Big Kabluna. It is with Malibu, coconut rum, blue curacao, pina colada mix, and lime juice. And it is for good 48 dinar. I was trying to do that to you, but you surprised
did
me.
it to you.
Yeah, just because you cannot find me, but I found you. So
I
that's the
found
difference.
You
So, oh my God, the rum is kicking in. Oh God, oh God. It's in my brain now. So hold this
Pause to
because
recharge the battery.
I have to.
Don't pass out now. Oops.
I heard.
Man down, man down. Woman down, woman down. She's lit. All right, we're gonna check on her in a little bit, so here's a pause.
Oh my God.